Now to fix this issue, which is the copyright claim issue, we need to fix it without removing the audio. Click once on the copyright claim, you will see details. Click on it, and in here you will see options. Click on select actions and click mute song. Now here's the trick. You don't have to mute all sound. You must select mute song only in order to mute the song but keep the audio. If you didn't do that, it will mute the instructor sound and the video will be meaningless. So make sure to select mute song only. Mute song only, then continue, then mute. As you can see, mute song is in progress. Now you are good to go. Close it and move on to the next one.